I'm definitely better behind the camera, so I'm going to show you what I'm working on. It's a painting that I'm excited to do, vibrant, and it's got a dramatic sky. I'm just doing an X stroke to blend it. I'm going to make short work of this painting for sure. Laying in some of the clouds and the mountains. Laying in the colors, like the looseness of it. Very loose approach, but I know myself that I'm not going to be able to keep it that loose. Starting with a little bit of detail here. Some pure titanium white for the sun. Alizarin Crimson and Cadmium Yellow on these clouds. Purple, Manganese Blue, and Cadmium Orange here. Really using some small brushes. I want to get these colors just right. There's a lot of orangish blue and orangish purple in here. And some darker darks in here. I'm trying to get the colors of this sun-kissed mountains. A sort of an outline in between these mountain ranges that just gives it the atmospheric perspective when you look back. Remember when I first realized this beautiful light and dark and just how it shines, one of the lightest places and one of the darkest places in this painting, and it just comes alive. Adding some of these grasses here. Just giving you a tour of this painting. I like it.